everyone, especially to my co-learners out there. So today, I'm going to share with you what is the characteristic of a quantitative research. But first, what is a quantitative research? So a quantitative research is a type of research that is systematic and objective. It is a method of collecting data that is measurable and numerical. This type of research aims to gather quantifiable information to understand patterns, relationships, and generalizations across a population. It often uses statistical tools to analyze data, and the results are presented in the form of tables, charts, and graphs. So now, let's go on to the main characteristics of a quantitative research. First, it is objective and systematic. A quantitative research is free from personal biases. The researcher follows a step-by-step process to ensure fairness and consistency. Everything is based on facts, numbers, and observations, not on opinions or feelings. This ensures the reliability and validity of the findings. Second, uses numerical data. All information in quantitative research is expressed in numbers. This makes it easy to measure and analyze the result. Data collected may include quantities, frequencies, percentage, or ratings. Third, measurable variables. The variables studied in quantitative research are clearly defined and can be measured. A variable is anything that can change or vary, such as age, income, test scores, or time spent on a task. Fourth, large sample size. Quantitative research often involves a large number of respondents. The larger the sample size, the more accurate and generalizable the results are to the whole populations. This helps avoid errors and makes the research more reliable. Fifth, uses statistical tools and techniques. After data collections, researchers use statistics to analyze results. This may include averages or the mean, percentages, frequency distribution, correlation, or regression analysis. This helps them identify trends, patterns, relationship between variables. Sixth, structured research instruments. Quantitative research use predefined tools like surveys, questionnaires, tests, or rating scales to gather data. These instruments are structured and standardized, which means every participant receives the same questions in the same format. Seventh, replicable. One of the strengths of a quantitative research is that the other researcher can repeat the study using the same tools and methods. If the same results are obtained, this means that the study is reliable. 8. Establishes patterns and relationship. Cause and effect. Quantitative research can help determine if there is a cause and effect relationship between variables. This is especially true in experimental research, where one variable is changed to see how it affects another. Now, let's go on to the importance of a quantitative research. Why is it important? First, it provides reliable and measurable data. It helps in decision making in various fields like businesses, education, health, and government. And it allows researchers to analyze trends and predict outcomes. And lastly, it can be used in test hypotheses and theories. So in conclusion, quantitative research plays a vital role in gathering factual and statistical information. Its characteristics such as using numerical data, structured instruments, large sample sizes, and statistical analysis make it a powerful tool for understanding patterns and relationships in the real world. Because it is objective and replicable, it is highly trusted in academic and professional fields. Whether in school, businesses, or scientific studies, quantitative research helps us understand and solve real world problems using the power of data. So that would be all, everyone. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned something about our lesson today, which is the characteristic of the quantitative research.